Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit subscribe so you get all the videos. If you like what you're seeing, give us a thumbs up. In this video, I'm gonna teach you like 4 or 5 ways to defend the push kick and the pros and cons that come with each of them. So I'll go over them first here. Maybe we'll switch spots here, man. So we're just gonna use the lead leg to start off with. Casey's gonna throw a push kick. I'm gonna use the one I like the most for beginners, where I bring my opposite hand across and parry it to the other side. So I'm going left hand to his left foot. Whichever one I use, I wanna get his hips turned away from me. So if he were to do that same one, I would go the other way. I'm actually helping him out. He's still in a stance, he can still throw punches back at me or attack with another thing. So I wanna get his hips turned away from me. So that's the first one is going here. The second one, I'm gonna use this hand. That kick comes here, and I'm gonna push away from there. Again, getting his hips away from me. Another one I can do is I'm gonna grab his foot, so he throws a push kick at me, and I grab from here. So I like to go left hand on the bottom, right hand on top. It doesn't matter which leg, that's just the way I prefer to do it. And we'll get into some reasons why in a second. Another one you'll see, and this is for people who kind of like to sit in a pocket and just come back with punches, is they'll block using their elbows here and then come back with hooks, or do it again please, come back with hooks and low kicks. So those are more for people that kind of stay in the pocket and come back with power shots. And then the last one, you don't see this one as often, but you will see is the kick comes at me, and I just check it like I would check, do the other one too please, and I check it the same way I would with like a round kick where I'm lifting my leg up and bringing my knee across. My trainer actually did that once, just holding pads for someone. He did a little bit sloppy with his toes out, caught the knee, broke his toe. So it's actually a pretty good defense if it works, but it can also set you up for some failures too. So let's switch spots again here. So for beginners, I like to do the cross here, so I'm gonna bring my left hand to his left foot. And what I tell people is if you're dropping a hand, you should move your feet. If I don't move my feet, Casey can put that foot back down to the ground and then throw a right punch or a right kick. I'm leaving myself open here, so we'll go like a right cross. So I fake out here, right cross. If I see Casey doing that, he's always using his left hand, he doesn't move his feet. I can fake it and come in, right elbow. Something like that. He's open, but if he moves a little bit in the opposite direction, so if you drop your left hand, move to the right, it makes it much harder for me to follow up with a secondary attack. Okay, that's the same with on the same side too. If he's using that left kick and I always use my right hand and I don't move my feet, he just puts his foot back down and throws a left hook instead, and I'm gonna eat that. So what I can do instead is just move a little bit off to my left, keep that range. If he tries to throw a secondary attack next time, I'm out of range and I can come back with something. Okay, so if you drop your hands, move your feet. Same if I drop both hands, he'd catch a kick. I'm not gonna stand right here the whole time. He's gonna bend his knee and push kick me and get back out. I'm gonna step back a little bit as I catch. That helps me get him off balance, get his leg out of the way. And then from there I can sweep or attack, whatever I like, okay? This one here, where I stay nice and tight and just use my elbows, this can work too. So he's throwing that push kick and I come back here. But if I turn too much and I do this every time, again, Casey can just put that foot down, throw a hook, grab the back of my head, or throw a hook to the side of my ear and my jaw. So he's here, if I turn, follow me, catch me here. Even if I have a nice tight guard, he can still get a hand around, grab my head, and attack here. So anytime you're doing a technique and you only have that one thing to go to, you become predictable. If you do it all the time, your opponent will figure it out. So it's good to have some variety. Okay, and then the last one here, I'll get you to just kind of check the push kick. So I'm throwing my push kick and he's checking with his knee. Just bring it across a little bit, good. So here he's checking it. I come down and I can get behind and sweep him. He's on one foot, I'm back on 2 feet right away. He's kind of vulnerable to that. So these all have their pros and cons. Again, for beginners, I say, go across, because this helps keep the other hand up. It's gonna be a little bit harder for them to hit you, and just move your feet a little bit. You don't have to go crazy with the footwork, but just a little bit of a shift. To my right, now I can come back with a leg kick. If it's on this side, I might shift back a little bit, come back to my leg kick. Do that one again, please. I might shift this one back and come back with a head kick. Same on this side. Kind of depending on the rule sets and your style of fighting. That little shift makes you way more safe and puts you in a better position to attack. So that's the best one for beginners, but once you get that one down, learn some other ones too so you don't become predictable.